The wind is upon us. We must hurry.
Okay guys, so we are now here at Fall City Floating, and we drove over here for about an hour and 20 minutes now. And what are the odds? So we are going to be in
I'm a camera person.
National
Camera, it's you and I, so we're not looking at it.
Hello. So we're here in the Fall City for a floating adventure, and so we invited Como News to come along with us and enjoy the trip. So we got Gladys right there being interviewed right now.
Basically, and the river, having fun with this
So backtrack with that. So we're here at the trailer and getting some life jackets. I bring baon because we get hungry. So I think these are the paddles they were saying. So these are the paddles, love.
You guys been busy lately?
How come you didn't invite Arvet? Okay, are you set, love? Hey, are you set? It's... You don't want to get connected? Bye, love. See you at the house. We survived. Yeah, it's so cold. Don't do that. Watch out. You get stuck.
And the way to use this is just hold it and do this, okay? And then you basa ayan.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Oh, the camera!
Sorry, my bad. We're halfway through. Not really. I don't know if we're halfway through.
We're an hour already.
It's been an hour, so 2 more hours.
2 more hours.
Maybe half an hour. No, I would say less than that. The guy was over exaggerating.
Yeah. So what can you say about this experience?
Can you see them?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye!
So right here, quick info, they don't have a bathroom or shower room. They only have the porta potty right here. And that's their trailer parking spot. But yeah, so far so good, and my camera is dying. See you in the next clip.
All night long. We are at Snoqualmie. We're heading to Snoqualmie Casino for lunch. Bongga Casino for lunch. See, what's the thing if it's lunch and dinner? Lunch, how do you call a meal between lunch and dinner?
It's called happy hour.
Lunner. How? Help us figure it out. Comment down in the section. Can we go in even if we're wearing shorts?
Yeah.
Okay.
Even we wearing flip-flops?
Yeah, as long as it's footwear.
It's so fancy. Are they renovating?
No, I think it's an event center or something like that.
Oh, really?
There's event center there.
Oh wow, it's Snoqualmie.
So nice. It's our first time here. First time in Snoqualmie. No, first time in Snoqualmie Casino.
So what
Just
can
to
you
eat
say about the
lunch.
falls?
The falls?
I mean,
That was last year.
No, not falls. The ride.
Oh, the tubing. The
It's
tubing.
called Lapper.
Lapper.
Lapper?
Or Dunch.
Dunch. Oh, dinner and lunch? Alright, so this is our view right now. Currently, we are at Snoqualmie Casino. We parked here in the 3rd floor, I believe. And this is how it looks like right now. And someone sorting things out in her car. Yeah, this is Gladys' car. That's Gladys, baby. She has a comforter over there. Just in case.
Jinx and Jinx.
Yes, it's really nice. Look.
We are at the where are we?
12 moons.
12 moons. It's like 12 moons cafe. Ode. Alright, what a nice view over here. We are outside at this restaurant here at Snoqualmie Casino, and try to look my view from our table. That's the parking area. I think that's a venue, other venue stuff. Ooh, but the mountains, the blue skies. Good. How about you?
So far so good. Did we just miss lunch? Did we miss lunch?
Alright, so we are back inside our car now. We are actually here in our old condo area, because this is where Gladys and Prism also lives. I miss this spot. You guys still remember this? This view though, this view. Oh, the sun. That's our parking spot before. This used to be our view every day.
Going out and going in.
Going in and going out.
We live here for a year, right?
Yeah, you need to clean your car.
I know,
It's dirty.
it's so dusty.
Anyways, it was fun. Today was fun. And I would love to do it again. Look, I'm already dark. You can tell. Ian. Darker. Nido. Milo. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys later. Then, yeah.